आप ट्राई करो। This has got to be the tallest 390 Duke that I have ever sat on. We've lost how much weight on this?
About 26 kgs.
26 kgs from the KTM Duke. I'm a pilot. Matlab, this is my plane. You can modify your KTM Duke 390 to look as good as this and fly like this for just 4 rupees, man. ये देखो.
मैम क्या कर रहे हो आप? मैम क्या कर रहे हो? तोड़ के मानोगे क्या?
हाँ, इसको आज मुझे तोड़ना है, कुछ भी हो जाए। गुस्सा आ गया मेरे को सर, ये तो आज मैं तोड़ के ही रहूंगी। आंटी,
ये तो टूट
ये
गई।
यार, तो आप ट्राई करो। हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू बाइक विद गर्ल। आज मैं आई हूँ पूना टू राइड दिस मैड KTM दैट्स स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। आपको क्या लगता है ये कौन सी बाइक है? मुझे पता है टू योर नेकेड आई दिस लुक्स लाइक द KTM एडवेंचर, बट एक्चुअली ये एक KTM 390 ड्यूक है जिसको बनाया गया है टू गो क्रेजी ऑफ रोड। इस पे बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज की गई हैं, इस पे बहुत सारा कार्बन फाइबर है एंड इट इज एन एब्सोल्युटली मेंटल मशीन एंड व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ऑल अबाउट। सो स्टिक अराउंड। पर यार आपने ये मतलब व्हाई डिडंट यू जस्ट टेक अ KTM 390 एडवेंचर टू डू दिस? रेव बॉम्ब। देख रहे हो ना, ये एक हैंडमेड टाइटेनियम एग्जॉस्ट है बाय द वे, एंड इसकी खासियत ये है कि ये टाइटेनियम पाइप शैसी के अंदर टक होकर मोनोशॉक को पास करके बाहर आता है टू द मफलर, और ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज मेड बाय द हैंड्स ऑफ पीपल। ये हाथ हमका दे दे ठाकुर बसंती के लिए। ओके गाइस, फॉर स्टार्टर्स दिस हैज गॉट टू बी द टॉलेस्ट 390 ड्यूक दैट आई हैव एवर sat on. इसका जो सीट हाइट है वो 900 mm है यार, and this is the stock seat height of a 390 Duke and this is the stock seat height of a 390 Adventure. पर इतनी टॉल हुई कैसे यार 390 Duke? So for starters, ये जो सस्पेंशन देख रहे हो आप, this is the USD fork setup from the 390 Adventure and rear में आप ये fully adjustable monoshock gives you 8 inches of suspension travel. So I mean, wow. And that's one of the factors that has made it so tall. Then ये जो rally seat आप देख रहे हो, this is another contributing factor. और जो rear subframe है उसको पूरा कटा के उन्होंने नया rear subframe बनाया है, which is made from stainless steel. FYI, जो rear subframe आपको stock Duke पे मिलता है और stock 390 Adventure पे मिलता है, that is much heavier than the stainless steel frame that these guys have made.
Chassis, right?
हाँ.
I made it so compact I couldn't even fit the battery inside
Oh
it.
God.
So then I had to figure out a way where, look at the box here under this. So I had to make a box and fit the battery and put it inside.
Oh my God.
Just so I can fit the right size of battery in here. Because we made the bike so compact, there is barely any space.
Okay. ये जो headlamp देख रहे हो, this is from the CD100, but it works so well on this bike. And then this added grille also, I really love the look. This fender तो भाई. This fender by the way is completely hand built. इस bike पे actually बहुत सारा carbon fiber है. Carbon fiber, जिसको हम पागलों के जैसे तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे पहले, and it has not broken. Carbon fiber and more carbon fiber. इतना सारा carbon fiber यार. फिर ये जो आप shrouds देख रहे हो, this they give a very nice muscular off-roady effect to this bike otherwise. This is also in the Jägermeister का livery as you can see. फिर इस पे आपको Moto Gadget के बहुत very cute जो मिनी मीटर है यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. Let me turn it on for you. Look at that. तो ये आपको स्पीड एंड अदर स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स बता देता है। फिर ये उन्होंने थोड़ा अपना आइडिएशन करके बनाया है। इट ऑलमोस्ट फील्स लाइक आई एम अ पायलट, दिस इज माय प्लेन, मेरे जो कंट्रोल्स हैं यहाँ पे 2 स्विचेस हैं, आई कैन प्ले विद देम, मतलब what a feeling. The handlebar has been swapped for a nice Pro Taper off-road handlebar, as you can see. इसके जो जूते हैं दे आर Pirelli Rally STR tires, और जो फ्रंट ब्रेक्स आप देख रहे हो these are Brembos. The foot pegs have been lowered, and in fact because the bike has become so tall, come check this out. Stock KTM Duke 390 का स्टैंड इतना बड़ा नहीं है, उनको बड़ा वाला बनाना पड़ा कि ये खड़े रह पाए, वरना ये पूरी ऐसे गिरती। पर ये बैश प्लेट पे खड़े रह के मैं हथौड़ा क्यों मार रही थी? Because this is made not just with carbon fiber but also Kevlar, which reinforces it like nuts. And उसको हथौड़ा मैंने 50 बार आज मारा होगा, because पहले मेरा जो हथौड़ा एक्शन था was not very good, it was very flimsy. फिर मैं गुस्सा हो गई और वो एंगर आने लगा हथौड़े में। But it is so strong. Hathoda has done nothing to it. Standing on it, jumping on it has done nothing to it. So I don't know what is actually going to break it. So basically when you go off-roading with something like that, you can imagine that not a spot or nothing is going to hurt that engine. Okay, it gets high sider ke indicators, by the way, which double up as brake lamps as well. Check this out. What? So cool. पहले इसका जो ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस है that is the star of the show, क्योंकि it is 280 millimeters. For reference, the KTM Adventure का जो ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस है is 200 mm. This has burrowed by 80 millimeters, and this is not even a KTM Adventure donor bike. This is a 390 Duke. तो ठीक है, with me is the creator of this motorcycle. This is Devashi. She is somebody I have worked with in the past also. बहुत अच्छी मोटरसाइकिल्स बनाते हैं पूना में, और कार्बन फाइबर तो इनके पास अवन है उनके वर्कशॉप में, कार्बन फाइबर को क्योर करने के लिए, जो बहुत ही महंगी चीज होती है। बट एनीवे बड़े इंसान है। ही इज द गाय बिहाइंड रिकोशे मोटरसाइकिल्स। प्लीज आप मुझे ये बताओ कि आपने ये 390 एडवेंचर के साथ क्यों नहीं बनाई यार?
Basically, the idea behind this was I was not trying to copy the adventure. We were trying to make a motorcycle that is good for the kind of riding we were trying to do, which was a lot of city riding, a lot of trail riding. We wanted to take the bike, basically make like a go anywhere bike, right?
Oh,
so
okay.
you wake up in the morning, you want to go to the hills, go off road, go in the mud, go in the slush, do whatever you want with it. This is not actually made for touring.
I would like,
in my
genuinely, after riding this thing today, I would go touring with this.
Yeah, but like
It is so light and so fun to like.
That's the whole point of the bike, right? So we wanted to lose as much weight from the bike as possible. Keep it
We've lost how much weight on this?
about 26 kgs.
26 kgs from the KTM Duke, which is like insane.
158 kgs, I think, is the stock bike.
Wow, that's
We
crazy.
have a lot of carbon fiber parts. We've got a lot of stainless steel parts on this. We've got titanium on the bike, aluminum on the bike. So we were trying to play with a lot of different materials, try to enhance the overall, not just the aesthetic, but also the function part of actually riding the bike, which is a critical component for a bike for me.
Very
because
much
I
so.
enjoy riding motorcycles, so I want to have fun with bikes.
Yeah.
That's why I want to make like different kind of motorcycle that suit different kind of moods and different kind
Yeah.
of riding pleasure, right?
Yeah.
So one could be like a proper cafe racer. This
Yeah.
is not that.
This is not that.
is meant to like go all rowdy and have fun.
Yeah.
It could be on the road. It could be like, you know, in the hills, off road, go wherever, jump,
Do what you
jump
want.
on rocks, do whatever you want with the bike.
So if somebody were to come with their 390 Duke and just want something similar to this, but you know, I've told everybody this is like 4 to 4.5 lakhs
Yeah,
is the
about
mods.
4.5 lakhs.
Yeah. Would you be able to do something for them in like a lakh,
See,
a lakh and a half?
the whole concept of my workshop is we don't replicate what we've previously done. So everything is one off.
Okay.
Every part that we make, not even the whole motorcycle. So if somebody comes and tells me I want this same headlight, I'm not going to do it. Because that's the reason my clients come to me, right? They want something that's not anywhere in the world.
Right.
And it has to,
It's an
not just that-
exclusive piece.
Yeah, that's the best part about it, right?
Yeah.
But if somebody has a KTM, they want to get something built, we can take this direction, but we'll do it slightly different.
Differently.
I'll put my own twist
But
on
you're
it
telling
again.
me that somebody who comes with say 1.5 lakh rupees, you'll be able to give them do something.
Absolutely. There's always
because
something.
there's people with different kind of budgets,
100%.
right? Like it's nice
Yeah,
for
100%.
people to know that.
Maybe we've kind of gone all out with this bike. We've got like a full titanium pipe exhaust that we made. It took me about like 40 days just to dial that down. There's about 50, 60 different pieces welded together in a pipe that goes around the whole chassis, inside the chassis through the engine,
Yeah.
then runs around the monoshocker and exits at the muffler.
Amazing.
So just to get the curvature right, just to get the proper clearances, there's barely about 5 mm of clearance between the engine and chassis on the pipe on both sides. So it was very critical, but that's also the fun part of building
Yeah,
bikes, right?
yeah.
The R&D that goes into it.
Pretty amazing, man. Now I'm waiting for the next bike that we are supposed to be riding.
Soon.
He's been working on this really mad Royal Enfield. I can't wait to ride it. But thank you so much.
welcome.
If you guys
Always a
are
pleasure.
always, if you guys are looking to mod your bike, mujhe mat pucho legal not legal. I don't know all these things. I don't answer these questions. I just love riding. You know that. But if you're looking to mod your bike and are Pune based or even anywhere in India based, I'm sure he can figure that out for you.
Even worldwide, I ship motorcycles internationally as well.
There you go. Yeah, he just showed me something where yesterday he made something for somebody in the UK, right?
Yeah.
A
The
Royal
bike went
Enfield.
to London.
It went to London. So, मतलब यार इंडिया में तो कहीं भी भेज सकते हैं. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the other side. Bye.
Bye.